It's reading time again. Today, you have a worksheet that looks like this one. And at the top, you need to put your name. First thing, it says multiple meaning words. Some words that we use have more than one meaning, and you have to actually use them in a sentence to know how it's being used. All right? So, the first one. So, I'm going to just say both of the sentences that I'm going to use make sense, but then I'm going to ask you a question, and you have to fill in which one do you think it means in this sentence. Okay, it's going to make sense as we go along. Okay, so I'm going to read the directions. It says read both definitions of the word, then read the sentence. Then go back and put a check mark next to the definition that matches the meaning of the underlying word. All right? All right, let's try this. Number one, what is that word? P-E-T. P-et, pet, right? Pet. So number one says an animal kept at home. That is a pet. An animal that you keep at your house is a pet, right? Okay. Number two said stroke or pet gently, which means to do this. And that is pet also. Now, we're going to read the sentence and you're going to figure out does the sentence mean the one that you keep at your house or the one that you're doing this to, okay? Which do you think makes a better pet, a cat or a dog? Now, which one of those definitions is a cat or a dog? Put your check mark in one of those boxes. Okay, next one. The word is pick. The number one definition says, take something with your hands. The next one says, chooses something or someone. Both of those mean pick, but which one is it in our sentence? Joe will pick 4 people to be on his team. Which one is it, definition 1 or definition 2, that Joe will pick 4 people to be on his team? Okay. Fill in one of those boxes. Do you think it's Joe will take something with his hands for people to be on his team, or Joe will choose someone for people to be on his team? Okay, next one. The word is cool. The number one definition means cold. The number two definition says neat and interesting. Okay, look at our sentence. The winter air was cool and windy. Put your check mark in one of those boxes. Which one does cool mean there? Does it mean it's cold or does it mean it's neat and interesting? All right. Next one. The word is kid. The number one definition is a child or young person. The other one is a young goat. A baby goat is called a kid also. I have liked to read since I was a kid. Which one of those definitions does that kid mean? All right. Next one. Raise. This is the last one. Number one definition, move or lift something higher. The number two definition, make an amount or number bigger. That you raise it. So if I said 15 and I put it to 20, I raised it to 20, okay? Mr. Jones goes outside to raise the flag at school each morning. Which definition does that raise mean? Put your check mark in one of those boxes. All right, time for us to flip it over like a pancake. At the top of this, it says hard and soft sounds for C. We talk about C making this sound, k, but sometimes C makes actual S sound, S, okay? So we have to complete the sentences about Cal and Cindy. Use words from the box. Use words with the k sound for Cal. Use words with the s sound for Cindy, because Cindy starts with the C, but it starts with the S sound. Cal starts with the C, but it's the k sound. So we have to find Cal has two pet. What could Cal have? It starts with a K. Which one of these could he have? Could he have two pet cake? Could he have two pet mice? Could he have two pet camp? Two pet city? Two pet rice? Or two pet cats? Which one are pets? Well, there's two that are pets. Mice could be pets. Cats could be pets. Which one has the k sound? Is it mice or cats? Write it on the line. He has to have the k sound, okay? Oh, let's just hop right over, because it says Cindy has two pet. Now, we talked about pets. If Cal has one of them that starts with a k sound, Cindy has the one that has the C that sounds like the S sound. Write that one on the line. Okay. Cross those out in your box so that you don't look at them again. And the next one says, Cal likes to eat. What are two things in there that you can eat?
Jocelyn is ready to take pictures in the library.
What do you like to eat here? Oh, I see two things. Let's see. Could you eat a camp? Probably not. Could you eat a cake? Yeah, you could eat cake. Could you eat a city? No. Could you eat rice? Yeah. So Cal has to have the one where the C starts with like, the C sounds like k. Cindy likes to eat something that has the sound in it with the C. So put those two words on the line and then cross them out in the box. You should only have two words left in your box when you get done there. And it says, Cal went to a big blank. You have to come up with the k sound for Cal. Cindy went to a big blank, and it has to have the sound in it. Find those two words and write them on the line. When you get done with this paper goes to the black bins so I can look at it and make sure you did it correctly. And when you get done with this, then you have other directions of what to do. Or you can read a book. See you later.